Sarah was making breakfast in the kitchen. Michael was outside, checking the swimming pool.
Ethan was reading a small English storybook. Lily was not reading. She was thinking about something.
What are you doing?
Nothing, Lily said. Ethan knew her smile meant she was planning something.
Come with me. I have an idea. Ethan looked worried because Lily loved making funny surprises.
Lily walked quietly toward the backyard. Ethan followed her, wondering what kind of prank she had planned.
Look at that ring! It is perfect for my prank.
Ethan looked at her with concern.
What if we use the hose?
Lily, that sounds like a bad idea.
Relax. It is only water.
Please be careful. We do not know what will happen.
Lily turned the water on. At first, everything looked funny. Then the hose suddenly moved and Ethan shouted, "Lily, stop! Get it! I am trying! Get it! I am trying! I am trying!"
The hose twisted in their hands. Water sprayed across the grass and patio, and Lily began to worry.
Ethan suddenly lost his grip. The hose swung toward the pool equipment, and Lily...
Watch out!
Bang! The hose hit the pool equipment. Lily and Ethan stopped moving because something sounded wrong.
What was that? Lily.
I don't know. Something is wrong.
Ethan, look at the ground. A puddle was growing near the pool equipment, and Lily became frightened.
We need to turn it off! Okay, hurry! It won't stop! Try again!
Finally, the water stopped.
Lily looked at Ethan and whispered, "I think we have a big problem."
Michael walked outside and stopped. What happened here? What happened? Again?
Lily looked down because she knew she needed to tell the truth. Dad, I did it. I turned on the hose because I wanted to make a funny joke.
The hose moved. It hit the equipment. Ethan tried to help me, but we could not stop it.
First, nobody is hurt. That is the most important thing. We can deal with the pool later.
Sarah came outside after hearing the noise.
What happened?
I wanted to play a prank. I thought it would be funny, but the hose moved and caused trouble.
I know you wanted to make everyone laugh, but you should always ask before touching things like that.
Michael looked closely at the equipment. I think we should call a pool technician. Michael called a pool technician. Lily stood quietly nearby, hoping the pool was not badly damaged. The family waited together for the technician. Lily was scared, but she knew they would solve the problem together. The family waited together for the technician. Lily was scared, but she knew they would solve the problem together. A few minutes later, a pool technician arrived. Lily felt a little better when she saw him.
Michael explained what happened, and we know what happened. The hose moved and hit the equipment, I said.
The technician looked carefully at the equipment. This connection may be damaged.
Do you think the pool is okay?
Lolly? I hope so.
I found the problem. We need to replace one small part before you use the pool again.
Will the pool be safe again?
Yes, the technician said. But you must wait until the repair is finished.
I really wanted everyone to laugh. Now I feel bad.
You told Dad the truth. That was the right thing to do. Everyone knows what happened now.
Everyone makes mistakes, Lily. What matters is that we learn from them and make safer choices next time.
The family stayed together while the technician worked. Lily knew her prank had become a lesson she would never forget.